Our TZJD brand double heads woodworking machine is customized according to the different requirement of the process. It meets the producing requirement of small size and large quantity. Simultaneous multi-head carving. It can realize the prompt auto tool change, save the time of the manual tool change, improve the working speed and the precision. Convenient operation. Advanced DSP control system with USB port. Running without PC completely. It is compatible with Type 3, ArtCam, Customate, Ucancam and other CAD or CAM design software.